بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, welcome back again. Today we are in page 58, so let's jump into it. So we are doing the long vowels, the Arabic long vowels. الحروف ممدودة بالألف, letters which have been made long using an alif. And remember, we said that the long vowels are three. There are three: alif, ya, and waw. Alif, ya, and waw. Do not forget that. طيب. So المد بالألف, making or stretching a sound of a vowel using an alif. طيب. Let's continue. So we have alif, madda, ba with alif and a fatha, ba, ta with alif and a fatha, ta, ثا with alif and a fatha, ثا, جيم with alif and a fatha, جا, حا with alif and a fatha, حا, خو with alif and a fatha, خو, دال, alif, fatha, دا, ذال, ألف, فتحة, ذا, را, ألف, فتحة, را, زا, ألف, فتحة, زا, سين, ألف, فتحة, سا, شين, ألف, فتحة, شا, صاد, ألف, فتحة, صا, ضاد with alif and a fatha, ضا, طا with alif and a fatha, طا, ظا with alif and a fatha, ظا, عين with alif and a fatha, ع, غين with alif and a fatha, غا, fa with alif and a fatha, fa, قاف with alif and a fatha, قا, كاف, alif, fatha, كا, لام, alif, fatha, لا, ميم, ألف, فتحة, ما, نون, ألف, فتحة, نا, واو, ألف, فتحة, وا, ها, ألف, فتحة, ها, يا, ألف, فتحة, يا. طيب. That is how organically you should be supposed to know how to read them. طيب. So I started here just normal with English, then here like Arabic, and so on and so forth. طيب. So that it's easier to know when they say dal alif fatha da, it just means dal with alif and a fatha. What does it make? What sound does it make? Da. طيب. So let's start from the beginning till the end, like the summary of how to read it. طيب. با, تا, ثا, جا, حا, خا, دا, ذا, را, زا, سا, شا, صا, ضا, طا, ظا, ع, غا, فا, قا, كا, لا, ما, نا, وا, ها, and lastly يا. طيب. inshallah in the second half of the page, inshallah you'll see the difference between a long vowel, a letter with a long vowel and a letter without a long vowel. Inshallah, مع السلامة. Thank you for watching. Inshallah, do not forget to subscribe, like and share with other people. Thank you for watching. Shukran.